All kinds of organic fills can be created in Affinity Photo, like this, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel, select the Rectangle tool, click and drag. Fill it with a colour like blue or green. Then go to Select and down here to Selection from Layer. Creates a selection around this. Then go to the Paintbrush tool, set the colour to black. Also go along the top here and select Symmetry On. Also, move the origin point, just position it in the centre of your square. Click Lock. Then select a brush. I'm going with Round Brush 8. Go to the shape and click and drag out. And you've got all these black lines coming out from the centre. Then go to the Move tool. And once you've done that, go to Layer and down to Rasterize. Keep the selection active. Go over here and select the Flood Fill tool. With that selected, then go to Swatches and then select Colours and just click a colour and then hover over here and click. Now you'll notice I've got the setting here of 0. So that's the tolerance setting is 0 and also the source is current layer. And then you can click around this image. Different places, avoid the black. Go to the Move tool and then select and deselect. Once you've done that, go to Layers, select the top rectangle and right click and rasterize. With the Move tool selected here, simply go to Layer and then New Pattern Layer from Selection. And now you've got a pattern design with that. Also, you can set Mirror On and you can resize and move this around. Also, what you can do is apply effects. So Filters, Distort and Twirl. And then you get weird and wonderful twirl effects very quickly in Affinity Photo. Click Apply. If you want to find out more about Affinity Photo, check this video.